Capacity building first before investment. Welcome to another edition of Common Sense with Freddie with Coach Wilfred Asuquo. If you're just joining this channel for the very first time, please don't forget to smash on the red subscribe button below this video and join the community. So once again, your capacity builder is here. And my goal is always to share you some, common sense, which they say is not common, to get you to the next level or help you make informed decisions as a need be. So here we are. As a coach, I noticed and I witnessed a lot of things among young people, which is rushing into investment first when they make one little money. Are you on this table with me, or have you done that before? You know what I mean? You just graduated from college. You just got a first job. Or regardless, you just relocated to a different country and you're doing your, first means to an end kind of job. And the first thing you're thinking is investment. And the question is, what kind of investment are you investing that money into? What's going to be your ROI? What are you going to make out of that investment? What profits are you looking at? You're investing $1,000 in what? What is that going to yield you? Or you are working in my motherland, Nigeria, and you're making 300,000. You're going to invest 200,000 in what? Money doubling. I never made such decisions. As a young man, I'd always focus on capacity building so I can be relevant for a longer time. So recruiters or hiring managers can always reach out to me and give me another opportunity. Also, so even if they're going to fire anybody in the organization, definitely it shouldn't be me. Why? Because my skill set should be able to speak up for me because I have increased my capacity. Should they want to fire one person, it shouldn't be me because I want to find myself relevant for the organization. When you increase your capacity, you are investing in yourself. The best investment is the one you invest in yourself. The risk is very, very minute, little or no risk. Ever since I invested a lot of money to increase the capacity of my head, I have been so relevant among my friends, among my peers, among my colleagues, among my family members. I've been so relevant because the wisdom, the capacity speaks for itself. It pulls you to me. It makes me attracted to you. And with the capacity, well, I don't want to say financially I am there yet. No, but at least it can afford me my basic needs of life. So, why don't you focus on capacity building first before investment? And interestingly, if you are from the village like myself or from a lesser privileged background like myself, where we have to work our way up, we work to secure our financial strength before we get to do other things that we need to do. I mean, why would you want to risk your little token in a business? Like I spoke in one of my videos, a lot of young people, they will invest in Forex or cryptocurrency trading with the promise of 30% or 40%, sometimes 50% return of investment. And sometimes they don't even see their capital after they invested. Sometimes they don't even see the person who introduced them into the business after they borrowed money or took their whole savings into that business. So capacity building is one that you will not go wrong if you make it a priority. capacity building is one that you will always have something to show for. You will not go wrong. You will not miss it. It will allow you to be relevant every single time. It will give you that enabling, striving environment and opportunity for you to always have either a job, or always going to allow you to have an opportunity for you to make a living in your chosen field of career. So, in my opinion, I will encourage that you make capacity building your first priority. And then when you roll in the Benjamins, the liquid, and then investment becomes something that you want to get into. For example, if you want to invest in properties, for example, you need significant capital. Is your capital coming from your family inheritance? Or are you going to the bank to take the loan? At least your first initial down payment or initial spending shouldn't come from the bank. It should come from your earnings. The higher your capacity, the more financial strength you will pull. So I encourage you to consider capacity building first before investment, because there lies golden opportunity. There lies wisdom for you to strive. I'm sure that makes sense. See you all at the top, because the bottom is crowded.